Welcome to Fix and Ride e-bikes. These in the back are my old e-bikes and I love them. So many memories, so many miles, kilometers, so many drives, so many trips. How much exactly? Let's see. And now, after owning them and riding them for 3 years, upgrading them with most of the parts except the motor, the frame, the controller, that's all. Everything else was changed. The rear shock was changed twice. Tires were changed. Also, I didn't change the wheels. The fork was changed. The bar was changed. The control and the display were changed. Most of the things were changed. Seat was changed. Brakes, freewheel at the back was changed. The derailleur was changed several times. Most of the bikes were changed. I kept the frame, I kept the motor, I kept the battery was changed. I kept the controller, I kept the wheels. Everything else was changed. Pedals, chair, seat post, even rotors, brakes. Recently I started feeling that I cannot upgrade anymore, so I decided to upgrade the bike completely and get myself a new set of bike, a new ride, and those are gonna be my secondary bikes for friends to come along or just to ride them to the store or something. My main bike are gonna be much better. Much better. Real e-mountain bikes. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was enjoyable and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.